orbit Earth satellite with state-of-the-art phased array antenna technology. The Zeus satellite is used to produce tightly focused spot beams of radio information for reception on commodity receivers at a specific time of day. The Zeus satellite can transmit information on AM or FM frequencies and provides timely keepsake and messaging information. It can be used in conjunction or independently of the agent's system. To receive Zeus, you require two components. The first component is an FM or AM receiver. The second component are headphones for private listening. Do not use loudspeakers and boomboxes. The Zeus beam width is very small. Seek the center of the beam. First, you will need to receive and decode a Zeus spot beam response message to determine where, when, and how to receive a Zeus transmission. All Zeus spot beam messages start with a ZX header. The first value in the message is the location block type. This indicates what method was used to encode the location information. The next value contains a free-form field of the location information. The start and stop of this free-form value is indicated by the exclamation point. The next value is the time of the transmission in UTC format W5. Note that you will want to be on location and ready to receive before this time, as the transmission will not be repeated. The frequency is the frequency in megahertz used for the transmission. The modulation is the type of modulation used for the transmission. The beam is a spot beam width in centimeters. Note the minimum beam width is typically 600 centimeters, and it's simply a guideline for the configured beam width based on satellite altitude, angle, and other factors. Always seek the center of the beam by using the exact coordinates specified for reliable reception. The transmission will fade quickly away from the beam target. Note is a free-form field that is rarely used. Now we will receive a Zeus signal. For simplicity's sake, we were asked to turn an FM radio to 97.9 and have arrived at the specified location at slightly before the specified time. Note the static here is normal, and only empty frequencies are used for transmission. You will then hear a series of tones. The frequencies, numbers of tones, and other audio characteristics are typically unimportant. However, be careful to record the number specified at the start of the transmission between the starting tones. These numbers are the transmission record number and are unique to each transmission. You will then hear a number repeated over and over in our test message. You should record these numbers down until the end of the message, denoted by the final tones. Note that once the radio returns to static, you have reached the end of the transmission and your Zeus reception is complete. Refer to your agent guide on how to use this data you have collected.
Nine, 5, 3, 1. 9, 8. 9, 8. 9, 8. 9, 8. 9, 8. 9, 8.